Installation of the Coupler Connect Plus Protect from DuraSafe. The DuraSafe Coupler Connect Plus Protect comes with everything you need to tow easier and safer. Simply remove your tow ball and place mounting bracket on top of the ball mount. Reinstall tow ball and tightly secure with nut and locking washer. Place guide in a mounting bracket and reverse the vehicle to a point where the trailer coupler is within the guide span. Continue backing up slowly until you feel the trailer engage the guide. The guide will automatically self-align trailer coupler over the tow ball. Remove the guide before travel. It can also be used as a chock for your trailer tires. Next, insert the holding pin. Once the coupler guard is positioned over the coupler and holding pin is installed, insert the lock pin. You must use the lock pin to secure the holding pin. For added safety and security, add the DuraSafe coupler lock. Mounting bracket fits standard 1-inch diameter tow ball shank. Contact DuraSafe for larger diameter bracket. Always use your safety chains.